The Moto 6 series is the long-awaited successor to the fairly popular Moto G5 and the G5S series from Lenovo. For 2018, Lenovo has brought some modern touches to what is arguably the most popular range under the Moto banner. In India, the company has launched the Moto G6 and the Moto G6 Play models, and today we'll be unboxing and taking a quick look at the Moto G6. This is what the retail box looks like. It's fairly simple with a colorful background and just the Moto logo and the name of the phone on the front. At the back, we have some details about the highlight features of this phone, such as its 3000 mAh battery, turbocharging support, and 16 megapixel low light selfie camera. Let's open it up and check out the contents. First, we see the Moto G6 itself. There's Gorilla Glass on the front and back of the phone, and at first glance, it reminds us a lot of the Moto X4, looking at the way the glass back contours slightly. Here we just have the logo and you can clearly see the dual camera setup. In the front, we have a tall 18:9 5.7-inch display with thin borders on the left and right side and a fingerprint reader just below it. We'll put this aside for a minute and see what else we get in the box. Digging further in, we have a SIM eject tool, some quick start guides and warranty info. We also have a white headset with extra pairs of ear tips. There's also a USB Type-C cable. And finally, the turbo power adapter. The display on the Moto G6 uses an IPS panel and has Full HD Plus resolution in the 18:9 aspect ratio, or Max Vision as Lenovo puts it. We have the power and volume buttons placed on the right side of the phone, and at the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone socket and the USB Type-C port. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC, and our unit has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The latter can be expanded thanks to microSD card support of up to 128GB. You get Android Oreo along with some Moto apps for gestures and navigation shortcuts. At the back, we have a main 12-megapixel sensor and a secondary 5-megapixel sensor, which lets you do things like add background blur to portrait shots. The camera app can also detect landmarks, objects, and text. The 16-megapixel selfie camera has a special low-light mode along with other shooting modes such as manual, beautification, and face filters. Other features of the Moto G6 include Dolby Audio support for the loudspeaker, a water-repellent coating, dual nano SIM card slots, and dual-band 802.11 Wi-Fi AC. Thanks for watching our unboxing and first look of the Moto G6. Stay tuned for the full review only on Gadgets 360.